Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stogger, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at a command that allows you to see how many days have passed since the beginning of the Linux epoch. That's January 1st, 1970, approximately the birth date of Linux. So to begin, we're going to run a command like this, which shows us how many seconds have passed, and that's because that's the way Linux stores dates. Then we're going to run this command, which takes that number, divides it by 60 to turn it into minutes, 60 again to turn it into hours, and then 24 to turn it into days, and we get a response like that. And if that isn't anything that inspires confidence, you can divide that by 365 to get the number of years. So that is your Linux tip for displaying the number of days since January 1st, 1970. Start with seconds and then turn that into days. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the InfoWorld channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.